Hello everyone, myself Sai Prasad, a lecturer in Ahmedabad High School and the Junior College. Welcome to a series of the lectures of Intermediate Second Year Maths B. We started a discussion with the chapter Differential Equations. What did we learn? We started with the basics of how we form a differential equation. Then we learned how do we find the order and degree of an equation, right? And also we learned how do we solve the differential equation. As we discussed earlier, we know that there are different methods to solve a differential equation. Among them, one of the popular and simplest is variable separable method, right? Later we also learned what is a homogeneous differential equation and how do we solve it, right? Fine. And we also did a few problems of homogeneous differential equation, right? Today let us do few more problems of homogeneous differential equation. Shall we do? See here. Look at the question here. He is asking us to solve xy square dy minus x cube plus y cube dx is equal to 0. What's the first step we have to do here? We have to write it as in the form of dy by dx is equal to some function of xy, right? So let us take this particular term to right side. So what do we get? Xy square dy is equal to x cube plus y cube into dx, isn't it? So we will get dy by dx is equal to x cube plus y cube by xy square. Now we have to check whether it is homogeneous or not, right? What is the method to prove that a given particular function is homogeneous? That is, we will just substitute x is equal to kx, y equal to ky and simplify in order to get the same function. If we get the same function, then we can say it is as a homogeneous equation. Yes, fine. Here we can easily identify first condition, the numerator ka degree and the denominator's degree should be same. Second, there should not be any constants. Why? Just tell me. See here, the degree itself is 3. What if I have a constant here? Its degree, its power is 0. So we can't get a proper homogeneous fraction. Yes, so it is a homogeneous function. It is a homogeneous function. So how do we solve a homogeneous differential equation? We'll just put y equal to vx. Put y equal to vx. Now differentiate with respect to x. So I'll get dy by dx is equal to v into differentiation of x is 1, x into dv by dx. Now let us substitute everything in this. So what is dy by dx? V plus x into dv by dx is equal to x cube will be as it is. Instead of y, we will write it as vx whole cube by x into vx whole square. Is it? So this will be x cube plus v cube x cube by x square into x, that is vx cube. Isn't it? So we will get x dv by dx is equal to, if I take x cube common, I will get it as 1 plus v cube, isn't it? And here this is vx cube, this both will get cancelled. Let us write this plus v on LHS onto right hand side. Okay, is it fine? So x dv by dx is equal to 1 plus v cube minus, here LCM is v, let us multiply v square here. Is it okay? No more questions here. Fine. Now check again. This is x cube plus v cube x cube by vx cube. Is it? Yes or no? This is v square x cube. V square into v is, here it is v cube. Fine. Once again, here it is x cube plus here it is v cube x cube and here v square, here x square and here x cube. Now if I send this v that side, I will get it as 1 plus v cube by v square minus v. V square into v is v cube. Is it okay? Now see here, v cube will get cancelled. X dv by dx is equal to 1 by v square. Now let us separate all terms. So we will get it as v square dv is equal to dx by x. Let us integrate. What is v square dv? V cube by 3 is equal to log x. Okay, if you want you can also put it as log c also. Now this will be v cube is equal to, once again see here, before substituting y by x we can't do log c. So let us write this as y by x whole cube by 3, that is equal to log x plus log c. From where did you get this y by x? We know that y equal to vx from the second, right? V is equal to y by x. Now let us simplify this. Y cube by x cube whole by 3 is equal to log a plus log b. It is log ab. Is it? So let us send this 3 that side. So y cube by x cube is equal to 3 log xc. So this will be y cube by x cube is equal to log x cube c cube. If you want to simplify, you can send this e that side, or else simply y cube is equal to x cube log x cube c cube. It's fine, it's more than enough. Is it okay? This is how we will solve our simple differential equation. Once again see here, the question is given as xy square dy is minus x cube plus y cube dx equal to 0. Right? First you have to write in the form of dy by dx is equal to some function of xy, and the next substituting y equal to vx, differentiating, converting everything in terms of v and differentiating, I mean integrating. Finally you have to replace v as y by x. Clear? Is it clear? Fine. Shall we go to the next problem? Let's do. Look at the next question here. He gave to solve x square y minus 2x y square dx is equal to x cube minus 3x square y dy. What is our first step? To write everything in the form of dy by dx equal to some function. So let us write it as, let us put this dy here only, let us send this dx that side. I will get it as this term by this term, that is x square y minus 2x y square by x cube minus 3x square y. Right? Now tell me, is it homogeneous or not? Right? How do we check? Here it is x square and y. So the degree is 3. I mean power is 3. Here x power 1, 2. Again 3. Denominator this is 3, and here 2, 1 this is also 3. Therefore it is a homogeneous function. And second thing, you have to check whether it has constants or not. Okay? There are no constants. So it's obvious that it is a what? It is a homogeneous function. It is a homogeneous function. Clear? What is the first thing you have to do? Just direct step. Put y equal to vx and simplify. That is, put y equal to vx. Now differentiate with respect to x. So I will get it as dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Isn't it? V into differentiation of x is 1, x into differentiation of v is dv by dx. Is it? Now let us substitute everything here. We will get it as v plus x into dv by dx is equal to x square into what is y? Vx. 2x into vx whole square divided by x cube minus 3x square into vx. Is it? Now let us simplify this. Vx cube minus 2v square x cube divided by x cube minus 3vx cube. Isn't it? So now let us take x cube as common here. We will take x dv by dx is equal to, if I take x cube as common, I will write it as v minus 2v square by, if I take x cube common here, I will get it as 1 minus 3v. Now let us take this plus v also on right hand side. Is it? Now x cube will get cancelled. Let us take LCM as 1 minus 3v. v minus 2v square minus v plus 3v square. This is x dv by dx. So x dv by dx is, v will get cancelled, 3v square minus 2v square. How much is it? 3v square minus 2v square is v square by 1 minus 3v. Is it? Is it clear? Now let us separate all x terms to one side and v terms to one side. This will be 1 minus 3v by v square, that is equal to dx by x. Is it? This is dv. Can I separate LCM? 1 minus v square minus 3v by v square into dv equal to dx by x. Vv, right? 1 minus v square dv minus 3 by v dv is equal to dx by x. Now let us integrate on both sides. Integral 1 by v square, integral 3 by v, integral dx by x. What it is? 1 by v square का integration is minus 1 by v. 1 by v का integration is log v. 1 by x का integration is log x. Right? Let me separate all the terms together. What is v? Y by x. It is minus 1 by y by x minus 3 log y by x is equal to log x plus c. Is it? Now let me simplify all together. This is minus x by y. Yes or no? Here minus log y by x whole cube is equal to log xc. Here minus x by y is equal to log xc plus log y by x whole cube. What it can be? Minus x by y is equal to log xc into y cube by x cube. X square. This will be minus x by y log cy cube by x square. If you want to simplify more, you can, or else you can stop it here itself. Can you simplify more? If I put minus that side, that will be x by y is equal to log x square by cy cube, or else x is equal to y log x square by cy cube. Is it not easy? But the main thing is, you can write in any form of answer, but make sure that it gives a proper meaning, like an equation or like that. Okay? Fine. What did we do here? First converting into dy by dx, then checking whether it is homogeneous or not. Once it is homogeneous, just substitute y equal to vx, simplify, convert everything in terms of v, and the next integrate it. Is it? Did you understand? Shall we go to the next problem? Let's do. Look at the next question here. He gave us to solve 2 dy by dx is equal to y by x plus y square by x square. Okay? It is already in the form of dy by dx is equal to some function of x and y. Right? Now directly let us substitute y equal to vx, or else first check whether it is homogeneous or not. Y by x, the degree of y is 1, degree of x is 1, here degree of y is 2, here degree of x is also 2. So let us substitute directly y equal to vx, right? So it is already in the form of, or else let me write this also, dy by d is equal to y by 2x plus y square by 2x square. Okay, now put y equal to vx. Is it? So what do we get? Here dy by dx is equal to v into x dv by dx. Let us substitute it there. V plus x into dv by dx is equal to, what is y? Vx by 2x. Here v square x square by 2x square. Fine. So if you observe x square will get cancelled. Is it? Now finally v plus x dv by dx is equal to v by 2 plus v square by 2. Now let us send this v that side. That is x dv by dx is equal to v by 2 v square by 2 minus v. Is it right? So now let us simplify this term. X dv by dx is equal to, LCM is 2v plus v square minus 2v, right? So 1v minus 2v, that is minus v. Is it? Yes or no? Now let us cross multiply and write it in the variable separable method. This is what it will be, 2 by v square minus v dv is equal to dx by x. Now how do we integrate this? That is nothing but our partial fractions method. How? Let us segregate this into v minus 1 dv is equal to dx by x. Is it okay? Shall we do this as a partial fractions? So let us consider 2 by v into v minus 1 as a by v plus b by v minus 1. So let us simplify this. 2 by v into v minus 1 is equal to v into v minus 1. If I take LCM, I will get it as bv plus a into v minus 1. Here both the denominators will get cancelled. 2 is equal to a into v minus 1 plus b v. Now find it. Either if I put v equal to 1, I will get it as b is equal to 2. If I put v equal to 0, I will get it as a is equal to minus 2. Is it? If I put v equal to 1, this term will go. I will get it as b into 1 is equal to 2. If I put v equal to 0, I will get this term as 0. I will get it as a equal to minus 2. So what do we get? 2 by v into v minus 1 is equal to, what is a? Minus 2 by v plus 2 by v minus 1. Is it? Minus 2 by v plus 2 by v minus 1. So let us directly substitute here and integrate. So what do we get finally? Here integral minus 2 by v dv plus integral 2 by v minus 1 dv is equal to dx by x integral. Is it? Now tell me, what is the integral of my 1 by v? 1 by v ka integral is log v. Here also 1 by v minus 1 integration is log v minus 1. Here 1 by x ka integration is log x. Is it okay? Till here is it fine? So let us simplify it. This will be, what shall we do here? Let us take it as log v square. Here also log v minus 1 whole square. Here it is log x. Let me write it as log a minus log b is log a minus b. Can I write? Now remove that logs both, or else let me simplify only this term. Log of y by x whole square, that is y minus x whole square by y square. Let us put it as log x plus log c. Did you understand or not? Here I have taken v as y by x. So LCM will be x, y minus x ka whole square. Denominator x square, here also denominator x square. Both will cancel, I will get it as y square. Now log y minus x whole square by y square is equal to log xc. Both logs will go. What do we get? Y minus x whole square by y square is equal to xc. Finally y minus x whole square is equal to x y square c. Is it clear? Is it easy to solve? The only main thing is you have to identify whether it is homogeneous or not. After that simplification is easy. In the previous sum, here the initial simplification was difficult to solve, but finally the integration was simple. Here initial simplification is easy, but integration is kind of lengthy, isn't it? Here we have used partial fractions method to integrate the given problem. Is it fine? Clear? Shall we move on to the next problem? Let's do. Look at the next question here. He is asking us to solve this particular differential equation which passes through a point. Why did he give this point? That is, we are using a constant in the last solution of all the questions. So instead of writing it as c or some other number, we will just substitute this point in order to find the constant. Okay. So what do we get here? First let us solve this. First let us simplify this in order to write in the form of dy by dx. Right. Now see here, bring this term this side and x dy that side. That will be x dy is equal to y dx minus x sin square y by x dx. Is it? Now let us take dx as common. X dy is equal to y minus x sin square y by x dx. Right? Can I write in the form of dy by dx? dy by dx is equal to y minus x sin square y by x whole divided by x, that is nothing but dy by dx is equal to y by x minus sin square y by x. However, this x and this x will get cancelled. Is it? Now check whether it is homogeneous or not. Here if I substitute y equal to kx, x equal to kx, however the degree is 1, this is homogeneous. Here also it is homogeneous. Is it? So let us directly substitute y equal to vx. So I will get it as dy by dx is equal to v into x dv by dx. Is it? So this will be v plus x into dv by dx is equal to, instead of y I will let it as vx by x minus sin square vx by x. xx will get cancelled, right? So we will have v plus x dv by dx equal to v minus sin square v. Is it? Now let us take this v that side. X dv by dx is equal to v minus sin square v minus v. Is it? Now v will get cancelled, isn't it? So what do we get? X dv by dx is equal to minus sin square v. Let us cross multiply. That will be dv by sin square v is equal to minus dx by x. 1 by sin square, that is nothing but cosecant square v dv is equal to minus dx by x. Let us integrate now. What is integral of cosecant square x? That is minus cot v, here minus log x. Cancel minus minus. So what do we get? Cot y by x is equal to log x plus log c. Or else let me write it as only c fair here, because there is only one log, only one log, remaining all other terms are other functions. If it is completely log, we would have used log c only. Is it okay? Now this is the solution. Then he is asking that, he is telling that this solution passes through 1 comma pi by 4. Is it? So let us substitute that term here. So what do we get? Put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to pi by 4 in this. Then cot pi by 4 by x is 1 is equal to log 1 plus c. Is it? Cot pi by 4 log 1 is 0 plus c. What is cot pi by 4? That is 1. Isn't it? We got the value of c as 1. Let us substitute that c here, then we will get it as cot y by x equal to log x plus 1. This is my final solution. Clear? What is new thing here? First thing, he gave a random question like this. We simplified and made it in the simple form as dy by dx. Yes, again simplifying the same story, but he gave an extra thing is this equation passes through this point, so that we will substitute this point in order to get the value of a constant. Then finally we will put the constant within the solution and write. Is it? Did you understand what all we learned today? We just learned the few problems of how do we solve a homogeneous differential equation. Is it? Is it clear for today? Fine. This is for today. Let us meet in the next session with the more problems of differential equation. Thank you.